that's how it looked before, and it really bugged me that it's not lined up. So this is what I did. So to line the door up, this is what I did. I'm using size T40 to adjust the door, and it's really simple. It worked on my car, and you can guys try it out. Let me just open the door. So what you have to do, you have to loosen this up, and what you gotta do, you gotta slightly move this up, because you can move this in, out, down, and up. So you gotta move it up. But when you close the door, after you do that, make sure that the door is not sticking out, because you may also find that out, that the door will stick out. So what you have to do, you open this again. So what you have to do is push it inside. So basically up and a little bit inside, and then close the door again. If it's not lining up, you gotta do it again. So it takes about 5 minutes, and then tight everything again, and then you're set. So follow me up, guys, on YouTube and Instagram, because I'm gonna do more videos as I go. I got this car about 3 months ago almost, and I'm gonna put more videos up. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next video. Bye.